And let's keep up that energy a little bit more. We do have Dr. A. Mathwan here with us.
A brief introduction about myself. I'm one of the pioneers of interventional cardiology in south and east of Tamil Nadu 20 years back, where there are hardly any cath labs around there. And over the past 20 years, we could see that we have nearly 200 to 300 cath labs. Nearly 300 cardiologists have been trained and doing a wonderful job. So we are able to cater the acute heart attack patients and give a timely treatment even in small towns. Madurai is a two-tier city, and we have a lot of cath labs even in small towns. But despite all these things, many patients, thousands of patients been saved. Still, there's a lot more to go. Because however this is not adequate for a country like ours, which is huge in size and population, we need to have something very concrete solution, which is prevention. I've been doing this prevention awareness in association with the World Heart Federation for the last 17 years, from 2003 onwards, making public awareness about the prevention of heart attack, strokes, and controlling blood sugar, controlling high blood pressure and all. But recently, I started one of the NGOs called Active Heart Foundation. What happened was very unfortunate thing. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, our former President of India, while he was delivering a lecture in Shillong, he dropped dead. Unfortunately, in that hall, there was no defibrillator machine available. If you go to any modern or Western countries, for that matter, even in Sentosa in Singapore, you will find at least 10, 15 AED machine, that is automated external defibrillator machine, where even a common man who is trained in that can revive the patient. Such thing was not available for the President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So that incident made me to start up NGO, which is called Active Heart Foundation. What we are doing now is that we are training a lot of lay public, shopkeepers, policemen, and those who are in bus stand, railway station and all. We are training them to do basic life support, and we do have automated external defibrillators. We have modules, and we train them how to shock the patient when there is a victim. So that we are doing it, and we have already done it in the presence of Defense Minister Nirmala Sitharaman ji. We initiated the first program in Madurai, and we have installed one AED in Madurai bus stand, and we are planning to install some more in the coming months. And constantly we are training college students, lay public like shopkeepers, vendors, everyone. So we are successfully running the program. So I feel this is the solution. Preventive cardiology is the most important thing, and how to identify a victim and help them in a timely manner is the most important. So that is what we are doing. And once again, I thank Cyber Media for giving me this opportunity. Thank you very much.
The next award for excellence in interventional cardiology of the year 2019 Tamil Nadu, and the award goes to Dr. A. Mathwan.